Welcome to this quiz about components of the cell. Can you answer all questions right? Let's go. Which organelle is known as the protein synthesis factory of the cell? A. Mitochondrion. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Ribosome. D. Golgi apparatus. The answer is ribosomes. These are found in both plant and animal cells and are known as the protein builders of the cell. Small organelles that build long chains of amino acids for the cell. This membrane-bound organelle contains hydrolytic enzymes and is responsible for breaking down waste materials and cellular debris. A. Vacuole. B. Lysosome. C. Peroxisome. D. Endosome. The answer is the lysosome. Lysosomes are only found in animal cells. Helps digest and break down food in the cell with the help of enzymes that are stored here. Which organelle is involved in the detoxification of harmful substances and the synthesis of lipids? A. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. C. Nucleolus. D. Centriole. The answer is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. ER. Smooth ER is found in both plant and animal cells and looks like a group of tubes. An organelle attached to the nucleus that's important in the creation and storage of lipids. How did you do so far? I think you are doing great. Let's do this. This organelle is the control center of the eukaryotic cell, containing the cell's genetic material, DNA. A. Cytoplasm. B. Nucleus. C. Cell membrane. D. Cell wall. The answer is the nucleus. The nucleus is located near the center of the cell and contains all of the cell's chromosomes. The control center of both plant and animal cells that controls growth and reproduction. Ready for the next one? Here we go. In plant cells, this organelle is the site of photosynthesis. A. Mitochondrion. B. Vacuole. C. Chloroplast. D. Cell wall. The answer is chloroplast. It is the organelle where photosynthesis takes place and is only found in plant cells. Chloroplast is the organelle where photosynthesis takes place and is only found in plant cells. It converts light energy of the sun into sugars that can be used by cells. This organelle is responsible for modifying, sorting, and packaging proteins and lipids for secretion or delivery to other organelles. A. Endoplasmic reticulum. B. Ribosome. C. Golgi apparatus, Golgi complex. D. Lysosome. It's the Golgi apparatus. It is found in both plant and animal cells. Turns combinations of molecules into new, more complex molecules and then sends them out of the cell or stores them. Which organelle is responsible for generating most of the cell's supply of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, used as a source of chemical energy? A. Nucleus. B. Ribosome. C. Mitochondrion. D. Chloroplast. The answer is mitochondria. It is found in both plant and animal cells and is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Performs cellular respiration, or the process in which nutrients are broken down and turned into energy the cell can use. In plant cells, a large central one of these organelles helps maintain turgor pressure against the cell wall. A. Lysosome. B. Vacuole. C. Golgi apparatus. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. The answer is vacuole, a storage bubble that stores food and nutrients the cell needs to survive. Vacuoles are found in both plant and animal cells but are larger in plant cells. This organelle is a network of interconnected membranes extending throughout the cytoplasm, involved in the synthesis, folding, modification, and transport of proteins and lipids. A. Golgi apparatus. B. Mitochondrion. C. Endoplasmic reticulum. D. Lysosome. The answer is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough ER is found in both plant and animal cells and looks like sheets of bumpy membranes attached to the nucleus. works with ribosomes attached to it to help with the synthesis and packing of proteins. This dense structure found within the nucleus is the primary site for the synthesis of ribosomal RNA and the assembly of ribosomes. A. Chromatin. B. Nuclear envelope. C. Nucleolus. D. Nucleoplasm. It is the nucleolus, the part of both plant and animal cells that is found inside the nucleus. The nucleolus is made of RNA and protein. It looks like a nucleus inside of a nucleus. These small, membrane-bound organelles contain enzymes that break down fatty acids and detoxify harmful compounds, producing hydrogen peroxide as a byproduct. A. Lysosomes. B. Peroxisomes. C. Vacuoles. D. Endosomes. It is the peroxisome, an organelle that digests nutrients and helps break down toxic materials. Peroxisomes are found in both plant and animal cells. They have digestive enzymes in their membranes to digest nutrients like amino acids, cholesterol, and fatty acids. These structures are involved in organizing microtubules and forming the spindle fibers during cell division in animal cells. A. Ribosomes. B. Centrioles. C. Lysosomes. D. Peroxisomes. It is the centrioles. Centrioles are only found in animal cells and are made up of multiple microtubules. It helps the cell divide during mitosis and meiosis. Which of the following is a characteristic of the cell wall in plant cells? A. It is primarily composed of peptidoglycan. B. It is selectively permeable. C. It provides structural support and protection. D. It is found inside the cell membrane. It is the cell wall, the outer layer of plant cells that helps keep everything inside the cell protected. The cell wall is made of very strong materials that can keep anything harmful outside of the cell. What is the term for the entire contents within the cell membrane of a eukaryotic cell, excluding the nucleus? A. Nucleoplasm. B. Cytoskeleton. C. Cytoplasm. D. Protoplasm. It's the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is found in both plant and animal cells and is made up of many dissolved molecules that can be used for other processes throughout the cell. Microtubules, components of the cytoskeleton, are primarily involved in which of the following cellular functions? A. Forming the lipid bilayer of the cell membrane. B. Packaging proteins and lipids in the Golgi apparatus. C. Providing tracks for organelle movement and forming spindle fibers during cell division. D. Breaking down waste materials within the cell. The answer is microtubules. Microtubules are only found in animal cells. Helps provide structure to the cell and also helps with cell division. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time with us. If you enjoyed what you saw, please do us a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or ideas for future videos. Until next time.